Understanding, Keep the Boat Steady, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, with a special focus on the phrase, keep the boat steady. Idioms are a crucial part of learning any language, offering insight into its culture and adding richness to your conversations. So, let's set sail on this linguistic journey and explore what it means to keep the boat steady in various contexts. First off, let's break down the literal meaning of keep the boat steady. Imagine you're in a boat on water. The goal here is to prevent the boat from rocking too much, ensuring it moves smoothly. This action requires calmness, focus, and sometimes teamwork. It's about maintaining balance in a potentially unstable or challenging situation. Moving beyond the literal, keep the boat steady, is often used metaphorically in English. It means to maintain stability or keep a situation under control, especially during difficult times. This phrase can apply to personal life, work environments, or any scenario where balance and steadiness are key to overcoming challenges. To bring this idiom to life, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, despite the company going through major restructuring, the management is doing their best to keep the boat steady. In personal life, even with all the ups and downs in her life, she managed to keep the boat steady for her family. In social situations, when arguments broke out during the meeting, the mediator stepped in to keep the boat steady. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, applicable in various situations requiring calm and control. The use of this idiom also reflects a cultural appreciation for stability and resilience. It suggests a preference for handling situations with care rather than making rash decisions. Understanding such idioms can thus provide deeper insights into the values and attitudes prevalent in English-speaking cultures. And that's a wrap on Keep the Boat Steady. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing idiom, enriching your understanding of the English language and its cultural nuances. Remember, mastering idioms is a step towards fluency and a way to make your conversations more colorful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you. Stay tuned, and keep learning.